Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you my coding journey so far, what I've learned so far, and today I'm going to show you about creating a button and adding hover effects on it. So sit down, watch and learn. Thank you. So first we'll add the boilerplate. Then change the title to, then give it any name you want. And mine will be button hover. Then I'll link my CSS. So now we are going to create a button. So click me. So let's go to our browser using the live server. So now you can see how the button looks like. So this is the button that we just created. So now we need to style it. Okay, put a background color. You can use any color you wish. For me, I'm using blue. So let's see how it is. You can see the background color has changed. You change the color of the text. Just type color. Changing it to white. See it. That's changed to white. Now you're going to put a padding. You put padding. Let me give it a padding of 0.5 rem. for up and down, then one rem for left and right. So you can see how our padding is. So now you remove the border line and the outline. You remove the border and the outline. So you say border, none. Then outline, none. Let's go to our browser. So you can now see how our button look like. So now we are going to give it a border radius. Let's see, 0.5 rem. Okay, not bad. So let's increase the font size of the text. Font size. Let me see what one rem look like. It's okay. Let's wait. Six hundred. So let's see how it looks like. Good. So now you're going to do the hover effects. Changes onto RGB. So let's see. Wow. Can you see it? So that's how to do the hover effect. Thank you for watching.